And that's all about perspective. I promise you that now that you've watched this section, you will never look at photo manipulation the same again. I can guarantee you that you'll even start spotting mistakes in movie posters. Many photo manipulation artists struggle when it comes to perspective. However, with the things that we've covered during these lessons, you should now have the necessary tools and skills to put objects into perspective in any photo manipulation scenario. There are only a few things where perspective usually does not apply, and these are things like flying insects, birds, bats, etc. These could be flying in any direction, so horizon lines and vanishing points become irrelevant. Remember that you need to first find the horizon line of an object before placing it in your artwork. And don't forget that you can only have one horizon line. Plan your artworks in advance and make sure that the photos you choose fit your artwork's needs and have a similar horizon line position. It's not the first time that I really liked two images and wanted to use them both in a composite, but, unfortunately, their perspectives were very different due to a different camera angle. When that happens, I would need to replace one of them with something else. That's the drawback of using stock imagery. However, there are various image providers online, and as a stock image user, I always manage to find photos with the desired camera angle that look good in my artworks. On the other hand, the beauty of shooting your own photos is that you have complete control, and you can shoot them in the perspective that you need. You are now one step closer to creating realistic artworks. Are you ready for the next pillar of photo manipulation? In the next section, I will talk about light. Light can be hard, soft, specular, and diffused. Would you like to know what these are and how you can choose or take the right photos for your manipulations? Would you like to know how shadows should look like? If yes, jump to the next section right away, Understanding Light in Photo Manipulation.